29 forecast.
Between 3:30 and 4 o'clock this afternoon, Irene out at shops at Stonefield and Northrop Grumman captured the shot of the storm coming up the 29 corridor. It did do some damage with some trees down in the Stony Point area. I want to also quickly talk about the rising full buck moon tonight. That's July's full moon. Actually, it became full early this morning. Warren Falk captured this picture of it rising over the Blue Ridge Sunday night. The moon will rise at 9:30 this evening. And again, because of its relatively close proximity to the Earth, it's considered a supermoon, but it's also full, so if you get to see it, it may appear a little bit brighter, a little bit bigger than it normally would. 84 is the current number. We were rain cooled at the airport, made it up to 92 today. Dew point remains quite high. Anytime that climbs above 70, it's basically air that you can wear. 85 the current reading, some broken cloud cover in the Shenandoah Valley. Dew points are in the mid 60s. The severe thunderstorm watch still in effect until 10 o'clock tonight. We already had a few severe thunderstorms that came through earlier. Right now, things are pretty quiet locally. There are some showers right along the Blue Ridge, just back into eastern Augusta County. Here we are north of Shenandoah, south of Waynesboro out toward Ladd, and then up 340 to Cremora and Dooms, that lifting off to the east, and then another little cluster north and west of Culpeper moving northeast. But the environment is still favorable for a few more storms. There we are earlier this afternoon with the storms that raced through portions of Albemarle and Nelson, also some trees down in the Wintergreen area. Now, some of these storm reports were actually early this morning across southern Nelson into Buckingham County with a severe thunderstorm shortly after midnight. But there's the report this afternoon in the Stony Point area and Turkey Sag Road of some trees down because of that afternoon storm. So the storm threat is early tonight. Otherwise, overnight, partly cloudy skies, warm and muggy, upper 60s, lower 70s. For Independence Day, July 4th here on Tuesday, pretty seasonable day, 85 to around 90. A little less humid than today because of a west-northwesterly wind, but we can't rule out a spotty thunderstorm. And because of the environment in which we're in, a storm could basically turn severe in terms of the threat for a damaging wind gust. And that's why a marginal risk is highlighted across the central and eastern portion of the Commonwealth. Fireworks tomorrow night, especially as we get closer toward 9 p.m., should be good. Spectacular, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low 80s. So again, expecting those to go off pretty well. Here we go with the severe thunderstorm watch boxes this afternoon and now evening. A weak cool front is off to our north and west. That'll continue to push east here tonight. Still could trigger a few more storms. Of course, we remain in a soupy air mass with temperatures in the 80s. They've been rain cooled, but again, the humidity remains high. So Futurecast is showing around 10 o'clock, a few more storms that may make it through, and then after midnight things quiet down. Here we are with temperatures in the morning, some areas of fog, and then as we head into Tuesday afternoon, 85 to around 90, a few pop-up showers or thunderstorm, then that fades away tomorrow evening. And then we start Wednesday, temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70. Could be a stray storm on Wednesday, but overall the threat is low here the next couple of days and then begins to go back up Friday and this weekend. So storms will exit later tonight. Otherwise, muggy conditions, temperatures upper 60s, lower 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. It's still a July heat wave building for many of us with temperatures flirting at or above 90, taking us through the rest of this week. Again, lower storm chances the next few days, then they'll start to ramp up more as we head into Friday and this weekend.
All right. Thank you so much, Eric.